What's the meaning of Bette Davis? Bette Davis. Bette Davis.
Bette Davis. Bette Davis. Bette Davis was an American actress who rose to fame in the 1930s and became one of Hollywood's most legendary stars. She was known for her distinctive voice, intense eyes, and fearless performances, and played a range of complex and unforgettable characters throughout her career. Davis won 2 Academy Awards for Best Actress and was nominated for 10 more, making her one of the most celebrated actresses in film history. Her legacy has endured long after her death in 1989, with countless actors and filmmakers citing her as an inspiration and influence on their work. Bette Davis remains a true icon of cinema.